Feel like I'm out. Oh, did the pills. Yeah. I don't know about nothing I say. Yeah, we were late night, riding around, we were creeping, we ain't know what to do. Just trying to get some money, I was really going through it. When I touch a first 10, when I touch a 10, turn it to a 20. Talk about 20 bands, you just spent 10 on your fucking lunch. Yeah, riding around, we was a boo, we was playing cool, we just kept a gun. And the crazy thing is that last week I took a Tesla and almost died. And the craziest thing is I took a Tesla right now and I'm feeling fine. I think last week I took 2 80s on top of that's why I died. Yeah, pretty sure I fucking died 9 times, yeah, like can't lie. Pretty sure like 9 times out of 10 they'll go high. Please tell my mama don't get into that. When I'm in advance, I'll be fine. I can't keep relationships cause the bitch always lying. I don't even be outside talking shit. I'm just trying to give me this money.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Paid Bro and back with another banger, man. Today we got the Trackhawk. Taking the Trackhawk to Full Elite Autos. My front bumper for the Widebody kit. Yes, it just came in. Slide over there, pick up the front bumper. Then I just did some research and I seen Atlanta Autos is right around the corner. So we're gonna slide to Atlanta Autos. I've been hearing good news about these people. They got a lot of exotic cars and custom cars that you ain't gonna find at no regular dealership. So we're gonna slide over there and see what they talking about. After that, we might slide to Porsche Atlanta. Check out some GT3s, man, some 911s. So yeah, man, we got a lot of shit in this video. This might be a part 1, part 2, but let's get this thing going. Thank y'all for subscribing, liking, commenting, man. Go ahead and give me 100 likes on this video. It's your boy Paid Bro. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we on the way to Full Elite, man. Pick up this front bumper, give y'all boys the inside, put this thing in sport mode. I gotta get this exhaust, man. I don't like my exhaust no more. I feel like that shit fucking with the car. Like the other day I hit this shit because it was this car beside me, like revving his engine. Man, I hit my shit at the light and that shit just stalled out. I'm like, what the I thought I fucked this shit up. I don't know if I had this shit in eco or what, but that shit was crazy. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, damn. Sound of it is like raspy. That's what the nigga told me it was gonna be a lot of raspy. This bitch right here, man. You hear that whine, bitch? Shit sound crazy. Fucking demon behind you, bitch. I forgot the way. Can't wait to tune this bitch, man. That's the next step. Put this Widebody kit on, man, and tune this motherfucker. Damn, bruh. We in traffic, man, in the Trackhawk.
3 hours later.
Alright, y'all, we finally getting off the highway, man. Traffic is slowing, getting a little bit more better now. We about to pass Atlanta Autos. I'm gonna peek over there and see what they got. We almost to the shop. We probably about 5-10 minutes away, so we're gonna get y'all boys some pulls now, man. See all this damn traffic. Had to get through that damn traffic. Traffic was crazy, man. Whole hour is just sitting in traffic, man. What they got over here, man? GTs. Okay, I see a little some. Some GTs. Some race. After all the damn traffic.
Flip it up. Good. What's up? Yeah, that's the bottom splitter. Put it right here, elbow too.
This is like some steel shit. Stainless steel. Crayon gray. Yeah, it's crayon gray, but I don't want it to be shiny though. I don't think I want it to be shiny. Shit, man, this is
up with it instead of trying to just kind of go up in the sky. There you go. And then we shut this and then you can slide it back on. Let me know. I'll be back. Alright, bro.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Paid Road, man. We finally made it to Atlanta Autos, and look what I found, man. I might be trading in the Trackhawk for the Brabus, man. Would y'all trade in the Trackhawk for a Brabus? Pipes on the side, bro. The carbon fibers on the wheel, man, too. It's crazy. Feels tough. G-800. Look at the truck. The seats is crazy. Cybertruck. I gotta get me a Cybertruck. I would get me a Cybertruck just to write it off on my business license. Look at that purple on that Ghost. That was tough. Damn, that's a good color too. Oh my god. It's crazy. Look at the carbon fiber on it. That's good. It's gotta be the ZR1. I seen the ZR1's got that big ass wing on it. It is the ZR1, huh? It's crazy. I would definitely trade that bitch for that. OMG. Every spot. It's a good little color too, this blue. It's got carbon fiber going through there. What's they got? That's what they got, man. They had some crazy shit the other day. I've been thinking about these Lexuses though, man. I hear like fast ones be pushing shit, man. I had to give me a little Lexus on that tune that bitch. They got the off-road, old school Land Rovers. Porsche Taycan. Color combos. Little Mercedes. I should get that for my business, for my rental car. This the mom car, but this we burn this for their wires. Right, take the kids down the street and it's just a 352. Look at the grill on this thing. These bitches should be bulletproof too. I like how they got that. You can see like what's in front of you. It's hard to find. Like 300K for this damn truck right here. It's like $1 million in 3 of these. Looking around. I was really looking for like Porsches, but I didn't see no Porsche. Y'all ain't got no Porsches. Oh,
inside, yeah, 911s, turbos.
Okay.
Trading anything?
Maybe.
Trade, what did it be?
Trackhawk, Hellcat, Mercedes. I might keep the Trackhawk, so maybe not.
Just keep it for leisure, or you rent them out and stuff then?
I do a rental car business too, so I got cars that I rent out, but not the Trackhawk. Yeah. Color on here.
Yellow calipers to match yellow seatbelts.
This ain't that. This bitch tough. So that's the
I got $1,000, man. I can take you right now with something smaller than that.
$1,000.
Right now.
What you got? What?
Right now.
What?
I got a Toyota back over there.
A Toyota what?
Yeah.
What?
Corolla.
Listen, come here. Shut your stupid ass up.
5-speed. Smoke you right now.
What is your dumb ass saying?
So, one of these, the 20, this right here, the 23.
I was just told my Hellcat Redeye. I feel like the next step is like a Porsche, so I want a 911 or a GT3 RS. What's the difference between the RS and this one?
Some horsepower.
Just more horsepower. This is the one. This is the one. This truck. The wide body on this. This is so tough. I I ain't never seen a Brabus. Definitely heard them ringing. Half a ticket, that's crazy on the car. It's crazy, but half a ticket. Look about 2 houses with that. That was too. Autos, man. As you see, they ain't really have too many choices. So I'm gonna try to stop at the Porsche in Atlanta. We're gonna go to the Porsche Atlanta and see what they got. They got some GT3 RSs. They want $300,000 for that one in there. $300,000, I could buy a Ray for that. I don't know. Not sure which way we're gonna go with it, but really wanna go Porsche, but we're gonna see, we're gonna see. So next, going to Porsche, check them out. Atlanta Autos, they didn't really have much options, so let's go to the next one. Guess you got James Harden. Like, what the f? Them niggas don't give a f about no damn Trackhawk. What the f is a Trackhawk to them niggas? They got James Harden bringing in Brabus G-Wagons. Just leaving Atlanta Autos, man. Kind of disappointed in the inventory. They got some fire shit though. Most of their shit is Wraiths and G-Wagons and shit. So they had one Porsche that wasn't an RS, it was just a 911 GT3. So we're gonna stop by this Porsche in Atlanta, see what they was talking about, see if they got any GT3 RSs, see if we can test drive some shit. We're gonna pick it up back then, because it's a lot of fucking traffic. Hopefully we don't get too much traffic. Porsche, perimeter, Atlanta. Let's see what they got.
I was just dozing off. I was looking at the sky, was staring at the stars. Really, I was sitting back just trying to talk to God. Yeah, I working on myself, I working on these flaws. Yeah, I trying to get rich, that's the real gangster. And you don't use my dog, so I can't go against you. I know my dog dead, but I had so much anger. I was feeling low, so much questions, no answers. That motherfucker went stop spinning. When she was alive, Grandma used to call me handsome. Always know I was could be rich, but this shit ain't random. I could put